What up, guys? Today I'm gonna talk to you guys about an AI website called Manus AI. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to use Manus AI. As you guys can see, this is the dashboard itself. Looks very similar to what we already know, which is ChatGPT. But Manus AI is different in the fact that it can directly read websites and prepare information based on that, and it also goes into details when it builds things like websites for you. ChatGPT, if you ask ChatGPT to build your landing page, it kind of just gives you the very basics to build a landing page, and then just you'll be able to copy that and then get inspiration from that to do. But Manus AI goes deeper into it. By the way, Manus AI has been acquired by Meta, so it's much more advanced now. So they now share a lot of their databases together. I don't want to go too deep into all this. Let's just get right into it. But before that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to ask Manus AI is let me just go to create slides. So you click on the model you want. It makes it much better. So I'm just going to say create a 5-page, create
5 carousel slides based this blog post,
and I'm just going to give it one for my website, and then I'm just going to send it, and it's going to create it for me. So step by step, it tells you what it's doing, and from there it just starts compiling exactly what it's supposed to do for you, and you can watch it work pretty much.
not just in the background. You can watch it work.
So typically we try to give you up to 12. So I had to give it a prompt telling it to make it only 5, so I can go take it down to 5. And you can see, even when it's working, you can still keep chatting with it, and it's going to be making adjustments as it's working.
Okay, so now let's take a look at it.
It's done, and so let me just click on it, and so we can take a look at it together. Okay, so this is the home page. You can also adjust this. You can see it even tag my website right here. And so this is the next page, and you can always present this like the way you do a presentation. It gives you an opportunity to download this as a PowerPoint, PDF, or convert it to Google Slides. You can see this is pretty nice. There's the 3rd page, 4th page, 5th page, and it gives us 6 pages for finalization. It's a pretty good tool, straight to the point and everything else. So I'm just gonna X out of here, and I'm gonna give it a new task. This time I'm going to show you guys what I can do with it when it comes to websites. So I'm just going to click on the build website model right here, and I'm just going to say it says what do you want to build, landing page, and I'm just going to say build a landing page prompting what career makes good money, what it will be, prompting dentists to call to build a website and market for them. And okay, I'm just gonna send it, and with the website you're gonna have to interact with it just a little bit, so you guys will see me do the work right here. So right now it's telling you that they will need to build it with the 1.6 max, which is one you have to upgrade to, but we're just gonna use the light. So I'm just gonna say try light anyway, so it works with you. So you have to keep going back and forth with it, and that's gonna see the beauty of it right away. So right now it's building it on the right hand side, and on the left hand side it's thinking. You guys can see it right here. You can see the amount of things it's building in the back end for the website. So it's not just showing you like a front end of what it builds. There's a whole back end of it. Okay, so it's done. So this is it right here. You guys can see if you save call now, you'll be able to, you see, try to redirect it. You should be able to put in your own phone number. Obviously, this is just a landing page. When it comes to building an actual website these days, you need a landing page. You need it to be real simple. So you need a landing page, but at the same time, you need a pricing page. So you need a place where people can go to see pricing for the most basic services, because people need that. And you need, things of that nature. You also need like a Google reviews area, so you won't just have generic reviews. Plus, you can embed your Google reviews. And these are the things you can see. And if you go over to the settings right here, you can have the domain, so you can publish your site on a good web hosting. So you have things like this, so you can have Manus, be the one running your site on the back end in a way. You still have your hosting, but Manus runs it, so you can receive email notifications there. So website notifications, you can set up your payments here. with the SEO, you need to publish your site first for that. You can add your API keys, and you can also send this to GitHub so that you can have collaborators on it. So Manus is a pretty good tool. It's a pretty great tool. I'm just going to show you guys the pricing tier so you can check it out yourself. So let's go with new task, and you can see they gave me credits right here. So if I just click on upgrade, for example, show you the 3 that they have. So this is their monthly tiers. So they have a $20 a month one, just like you got with OpenAI ChatGPT. You get 300 fresh credits every day, 4,000 credits per month, in-depth research for everyday tasks, professional website for standard output, insightful slides for regular content. You can already do this with the free one, but you get much more, obviously, because I'm pretty sure you won't just be just one landing page. You'll be a whole lot more. Early access to beta features, 20 concurrent tasks, 20 scheduled tasks. So yes, you can also schedule utilizing their tool. You get the 3-day free with the $40 a month one. So you get everything here, and you get 8,000 credits per month. Professional websites for changing needs, insightful slides for steady creation, early access to beta features just like here, and wide research skills to your chosen plan. And then you get a $200 per month one. If you're gonna go crazy with this, you get everything here, 40,000 credits per month, in-depth research, wide research for sustained heavy use, early access to beta features. So it's a pretty good tool. As I said, it's run by Meta now, so they have a whole lot more when it comes to access to databases. So you guys can try out Manus and let me know what you guys think.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm back. Catch you guys in the next video.